Hello my dear students, welcome to our YouTube channel with Balakrishna, Maths Balakrishna. Now I am discussing about the chapter 1 real numbers exercise 1.4 grade 10 CBSE syllabus. Okay, here first Roman, without actual division, show that each of the following rational numbers is a terminating decimals, express each in decimal form. Okay, decimals means what? A point which is lie in between group of digits of a number. That point is called decimal point. Before the decimal point, the digits are called whole number. After the decimal point, the digits are called decimals. In decimals, there is two types are there. What are there? One is terminating decimals, another one is non-terminating decimals. Terminating decimals means what? The decimals which are countable, that is called terminating decimals. The decimals which are uncountable, that is called non-terminating decimals. Okay, non-terminating decimals, again there is two types are there. What are there? There are non-terminating recurring decimals, non-terminating non-recurring decimals. So this recurring having another name is repeating. Non-terminating repeating decimals, non-terminating non-repeating decimals. Okay, here the terminating decimals can be written in the form of p by q. When you write in the form of p by q, the denominator is in the form of power of the 10. When the denominator is power of the 10, then it is in the form of 2 and 5. Okay, so here the first problem is 23 by 2 cube into 5 cube. Here the denominator is power of the 2 and power of the 5. But here the denominator is power of the 2 is 2 cube, here 5 square. Here there is no same power. So when you 2 and 5 having the same power, then it is become power of the 10. 10 power 1, 10. 10 square, 100. 10 cube, 1000. So 10 how we can get? 2 5 ja. Okay. So here 2 cube into 5 square. So here the number we can multiply with 5. So then it is become power of the 5. Power of the 5, that is 23 into 5 by 2 cube into 5 cube. So 23 5 ja 115 by 2 cube into 5 cube, that is 10 cube. So 10 cube is how much? 1000. Here the denominator having how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. That means how many decimals you can get? 3 decimals. That is here 0.115. Next, second one, 24 by 125. So the denominator 125, how you can write? 125 you can write in the prime factorization, that is 5 cube. Okay, 5 5 ja 25, 25 5 ja 125. So this one we can write as 24 by 5 cube. So the 5 cube is multiplied with which number? It is become power of the 10. So that is here we can multiply with 2 cube, 24 by 5 cube into 2 cube by 2 cube. So 2 cube is how much? 8. So that is here 24 into 8 by 5 cube into 2 cube, that is 10 cube. So 24 8 ja 8 4 ja 32, 8 2 ja 16 plus 3 192 by 1000. So how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. That means how many decimals? 3 decimals. That is 0.192. Okay, next number 171 by 800. So this one you can write as 171 by 800. You can write as 8 into 100. So here 8 how you can write? 2 cube. So the 2 cube is multiplied with which number? It is become power of the 10, that is 5 cube. So here numerator is multiplied 5 cube, denominator is multiplied 5 cube. That is here 171 by 5 cube 125 by 100 into 2 cube into 5 cube, that is 10 cube. So here 171 into 125, here 5 1 ja 5, 5 7 ja 35, 5 1 ja 5 plus 3 8. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 7 ja 14, 2 1 ja 2 plus 1 3. Next 171 1 ja 5 7 13 11 2. So that is here how much? 21,375 by 100 into 10 cube, that is 1000. So here 100,000, that is 1 lakh. That is here 21375 by 1 lakh. That means how many zeros are there? 5 zero. That means how many decimals are we can get? 5 decimals. That is here 0.21375. Next, 15 by 1600. We can write as 15 by 1600, 16 into 100. Okay, here 15 by 100, already the 100 is power of the 10. 16 we can write as 2 power 4. So the 2 power 4 is multiplied with which number? It is become power of the 10. That is here multiply with 5 power 4. Denominator is also multiplied with 5 power 4. That is 15 into 5 power 4. That is 625 by 100 into 2 power 4 into 5 power 4. So here 625 into 15. 15 5 ja 75. 15 2 ja 30 plus 7 37. 15 6 ja 90. 90 plus 3 93. So that is your 9375 by 100 into 2 power 4 into 5 power 4. That is 10 power 4. So 10 power 4 means how much? 9375 by 100 into 10,000. Okay, that is 9375 by how many zeros are there? 6 zeros. That means how many decimals we can get? 6 decimals. Here how many digits are there? 4. So before the digit we can put the zeros. There is no value. That is here 0.009375. So next 17 by 320. So 17 by 320 we can write as 17 by here 10 into 32. Okay, 10 into 32 we can write in prime factoration. That is here 17 by 10 into 2 power 5. So the 2 power 5 is multiplied which number? It is become power of the 5 10. That is power of the 5. Okay, here 17 into 5 power 5, that is 3125 by 10 into 2 power 5 into 5 power 5, that is 10 power 5. So 3125 into 17. 17 5 ja 85. 17 2 ja 34 plus 8 42. 17 1 ja 17 plus 4 21. 17 3 ja 51 plus 2 53. So that is a 53125 by here 10 into 10 power 5, that is 6 zeros. So here how many zeros are there? 6 zeros. How many decimals are there? 5 decimals. So we can write as 0.053125. So this is terminating decimals. Next 19 by 3125. So here 19 by 3125 we can write in prime factoration. Then we can get the 5 power 5. So 5 power 5 is multiplied which number? It is become power of the 10 means that is 2 power 5. 2 power 5 by 2 power 5, that is equal 19 into 2 power 5 is how much? 32 by 5 power 5 into 2 power 5, that is 10 power 5. So here 32 into 19, 19 2 ja 38, 19 3 ja 57 plus 3 60. So that is a 608 by 10 power 5, that means how many zeros? 5 zeros. So here 3 decimals, the denominator having 5 zeros, we can write as 0.0068. So this is terminating decimal. How many decimals are there? 5 decimals. So these 5 decimals are countable. Therefore it is a terminating decimals. Without actual division, show that each of the following rational numbers is a non-terminating repeating decimals. So here non-terminating repeating decimals means what? The denominator is not in the form of power of the 10, power of the 2, power of the 5. Okay, then the rational number is a non-terminating repeating decimals. Okay, here the denominators, see the first one 11 by 2 cube into 3. Here power of the 2 is there and power of 3 is also there. So therefore it is a non-terminating repeating decimals. So here next the number here 2 square into 3 cube into 5. Here the denominator here power of the 2 and power of the 5. With power of the 2 and power of the 5 we can get here another one is 3. Here also same 2 square into 5 cube into 7 square. Here also power of the 2, power of the 5 with 7 square. So here there is only power of the 2 and power of the 5 and power of the 10. Then the rational number is a terminating decimals. Otherwise it is a non-terminating decimal. So here it is the denominator is, its denominator is 2 cube into 3 power 1. So therefore 11 by 2 cube into 3 power 1 is a non-terminating repeating decimals. Here also same, its denominator is 2 square into 3 cube into 5. So it is a non-terminating decimals. Here the denominator, it is also the denominator is 2 square into 5 cube into 7 square. It is a non-terminating repeating decimals. 77 by 210. So here 77 we can write as 7 into 11 by 210 we can write as 7 into 2 into 3 into 5. 7 1 ja 7 1 ja. So here what the remaining 11 by 2 into 3 into 5. So its denominator is power of the 2, power of the 5 and power of the 3. So therefore it is a non-terminating repeating decimals. Next another one 32 by 147. Here we can write as 7 into 3 into 7. 7 into 3 into 7. So here the denominator is 32 by 7 square into 3. Its denominator is power of the 7 and power of the 2. Here there is no power of the 2, power of the 5 or both. So therefore it is a non-terminating repeating decimals. Next here 9 by 35. So 35 you can write as 5 into 7. Here there is power of the 5 with power of the 7. So it is a non-terminating repeating decimals. Next 27 by 343 we can write as 7 cube. So here the denominator is other than power of the 2, power of the 5. So therefore it is non-terminating repeating decimals. Next 64 by 655. That is here 5 into 7 into 13. So the denominator is other than the power of 7 and 13. So therefore it is non-terminating repeating decimals. Find out after how many places of decimals the decimal form of the number 27 by 2 cube into 5 power 4 into 3 cube will terminating. Okay, here given number. What is the given number? 27 by 2 cube into 5 power 4 into 3 cube. This is the number. So this one we can write as 27 by 2 cube into 5 power 4 3 cube, that is how much? 27. 27 27 cancel. What the remaining? 1 by 2 cube into 5 power 4. Here which number is multiplied is become power of the 10. So here 5 power is 4, 2 power is 3. So we make the equal powers means we can multiply to 2. Numerator is multiplied to 2, denominator is multiplied to 2. So that is 1 into 2, 2 by 2 cube into 2, 2 power 4 into 5 power 4. So that is here 2 by 2 power 4 into 5 power 4, that is 10 power 4. 10 power 4 means how many zeros? 4 zeros. Okay, so that is here 4 zeros means how many decimals are there? 4 decimals. That is here 0.002. So after how many here what is asking that after how many places of decimals the decimal form of the number. Okay, here how many? 4.